morning to the Triangle community all over the world. Happy weekend to us. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonulu Anyede, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This weekend, I want to charge every one of us listening and watching me right now that in whatever situation you are, play. Just play. Whatever your circumstance, play. Just play. There is a quotation ascribed to John Barrymore. It says, even the tortoise does not make progress until it sticks out its neck. In that situation that you are in, thinking all is lost, thinking you are incapacitated, even in that position, stick out your neck a little and you'll be able to access and see the ray of light. For fear of losing, many won't take part in the game. And in so doing, they think they can play safe. No, they are satisfied with watching others take the risk and win the game while they remain on the sides as spectators in this game called life. Don't join them. Join the field and play. Just play. Most dreams die as dreams not for lack of skills or other resources, but for lack of courage of the dreamer to play out their dreams. It is far better to play and lose than not to play at all. Because even when you lose, you at least know what won't work. So play, just play. For as many who understand the game of chess, you know that you just have to play. Along the line, you learn, you understand the tricks, how things works if you play. If you can't risk losing, you can't win. Because losing is part of winning. Even the law requires that you understand a thing before you make a best thing out of such. Do your homework, make your plans, but stick out your neck and play. Launch out as if it is impossible to lose. Winners take risk. To be truly alive, you must taste the sweat of success as well as kiss the dust of defeat. When you win, take it in good stride and move ahead. When you lose, learn the lessons that are there to learn and try again. Winners don't quit, they just keep playing. So play, just play. Hello, friends. Many people, because of past experience of being scammed and an online businesses, online investment, online ventures, they desire to close their eye on anything online. But friends, let me tell you this. You can't just close your eyes on every online businesses, ventures, or what have you. You just have to play and play safe. Play and play safe. Guys, cryptocurrency is the order of the day. Don't join the wagon that says cryptocurrency is a scam. In everything, they scam people. Even in the normal fiat way of trading, this is scam. But guess what? When you play safe, no one will scam you. Cryptocurrency is real, is genuine. And I've come again to inform you that TBC is a private cryptocurrency and is genuine, real, and lawful. Over 6 years, we have been waxing stronger, stronger, and stronger. So, guys, come on board, join us. This is the first abundance cryptocurrency on earth. So, you will see a link below this video. Click on that link, join and subscribe to give yourself a life of abundance. And don't forget, press that button by your right hand side and subscribe to this channel for subsequent updates. Thank you. Don't forget, in this game called life, play, just play. Don't sit by. It is well. God bless you.